So I have the Sony Google TV or Sony Smart TV, and let me show you how to update apps on this TV. Now, for the most part, your apps will download their updates and install them automatically. But if you have a certain app that you want to check whether it's updated and update manually, here's what to do. So for instance, if that's YouTube, you want to highlight YouTube, and then instead of pressing the OK button, you want to long press on that button to bring up this menu. And then go to View Details. That's going to open up the page in the App Store. And if there's an update, this button here will say Update, or rather this one. Instead of Open, it will say Update, and then you can click on it to update your application. So you can do that for all the apps. But like I said, these apps get updated automatically by default. So now if I go back, and there could be some third-party apps like these ones which you've installed for yourself. Some of them may or may not be able to install updates. So for instance, if there's an app you've installed via the downloader app, you can go and try to reinstall that app. And when you try to reinstall the app, it's going to get updated. Okay, so those are the ways of updating apps on your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.